Did you know most of a product's total manufacturing cost is locked in early before any tooling is cut? The cheapest change happens in CAD. The most expensive happens after tooling. The real headache isn't building a prototype. It's skipping the critical stages that protect you from late rework. Blocking patents discovered after tooling, unplanned iteration between design and manufacturing, and launching a great product without branding or a go-to-market plan all derail first-time founders. The fix isn't a single hero engineer. The reality is a gated, 7-stage process from research and patent validation through concept, industrial design, mechanical and electronics, prototyping and validation, manufacturing and sourcing, and branding and launch. Each stage produces deliverables that approve the next, preventing expensive backtracking. Industrial design and mechanical must run in parallel to avoid the most common late-stage rework. Prototyping has to match the question, with printing for form, CNC for material behavior, and soft tooling for production representative parts. 5 representative users can reveal roughly 85% of usability problems. At Rabbit Product Design, one coordinated team runs all of this end-to-end. Senior engineers handle your project from day one, averaging 27 years of experience, with 9 years in business and work on over 2,000 products. Risk mitigation and design for manufacturing are embedded from concept onward, not bolted on later. That is why individual inventors and small business owners trust an integrated team over juggling separate vendors. In short, follow the stages, validate early, run disciplines together, and let evidence guide decisions. If I were in your position, I would start with patent research, capture quantified requirements, and plan prototyping to answer specific risks. If you keep skipping stages or running disciplines in sequence, you will end up losing time and money when problems surface at tooling or launch. To start a product development engagement that covers all 7 stages under one team, contact Rabbit Product Design. Click the link below to learn more. Subscribe, like, and ring the bell.